In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn from Binance daily using a simple trick that can help you make money with this popular cryptocurrency platform. First things first, you need to log into your Binance account. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to head to the Binance website and sign up. It's straightforward and will only take a few minutes. Once you're logged in, this is your gateway to a myriad of cryptocurrency opportunities. Next, navigate to the Earn section on Binance. This is a fantastic place to start if you're looking to make your assets work for you. In this section, you'll notice that Binance offers two broad categories for investments: low risk and high yield. The choice between these two will depend on your personal risk tolerance and investment goals. If you're new to crypto investments or prefer playing it safe, low risk might be the way to go. Conversely, if you're aiming for higher returns and are comfortable with some risk, the high yield options could be more suitable. Moving forward, you will need to select the cryptocurrency that you want to invest in. Binance provides a wide selection, but for the purpose of maximizing your returns, look for cryptos with a high annual percentage rate or APR. Popular options include USDT and BNB among others. The APR is essentially the rate of return you can expect on your investment, so higher APRs can potentially lead to better earnings. Always take the time to research the cryptocurrencies available to ensure they align with your financial strategy and market understanding. Once you've selected your preferred crypto, the next step is deciding between flexible or locked terms for your investment. Flexible terms offer you more liquidity, meaning you can access your funds whenever you need them. This is particularly beneficial if market conditions change and you need to adjust your investment strategy. On the other hand, locked terms usually offer higher returns as they require you to commit your crypto for a set period of time, such as 30, 60, or even 90 days. Carefully assess your financial needs and select the plan that best supports your objectives. Finally, after subscribing, you'll begin to earn daily rewards passively. It truly is as simple as that. Binance does all the heavy lifting, delegating your crypto to appropriate projects, and handling the interest accumulation. All you have to do is watch your earnings grow over time. Remember, while this method is a powerful way to generate passive income, it's essential to stay informed about the ever-changing crypto landscape to protect and maximize your investments. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to earning from Binance daily. Be patient, diligent, and cautious, and let your assets do the work for you. Thanks for watching and happy investing.